Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I know it's been a while since I've done one, but I've actually been in the process of moving. So now that that's all finished, I can get back to making these rug videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing the Kanye West Yeezus album cover. I've done this rug before, and when I first did it, I wasn't as good at making rugs as I am now. So I figured I would just remake it for myself and make a quick video out of it. So yeah, please enjoy. Before we get started, I wanted to give a big shout out to the rug maker at FeelFree2Throw on Instagram, who is actually the original designer of this rug. All credit goes to them for the design. I came across this post on Instagram, and that's what made me want to make this one for myself. So anyways, back to the video. Now, as I mentioned previously, I just moved into a new house that actually has a garage. So I set up a little makeshift rug studio where all of my yarn, fabric, and tools are in the same place. I even brought the duck with me, who used to sit right next to the rug frame in all of my previous videos. Getting started, we will begin stretching the fabric onto the back of the frame, ensuring that each side has a tight fit. I'll then grab my projector and project the image onto the fabric, and for this, I just threw together a quick version based on the Instagram image in Photoshop. Now that the image is all traced, it's time to begin. And these are the colors I'll be using for the rug. Before we begin tufting, I need to spool some yarn. And for this, I use this device that I got at Michael's and a toilet paper roll to hold the yarn. As always, I'll go one color at a time, starting with the color red for this rug. Now, enjoy some tufting. the rug is finishing up, please be sure to leave a like, comment, or subscribe. I also want to take a moment to say another huge thank you, because as of the last video, I am well over 600 subscribers, so thank you all very much for continuing to support. I'm going to try to upload more consistently from here on out. With the tufting all done, I'll get my Roberts 3095 carpet adhesive to apply to the back of the rug to ensure a strong hold. Now that it's all dry, it's time to put the backing on, which I unfortunately forgot to film, so here's me cutting off the excess fabric. Now it's time to shave the rug down to get a nice even finish. And don't forget to shave around the edges for a smooth finish as well. And lastly, the final vacuum to reveal the final product. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and be sure to like, comment, or subscribe. The support means a lot to me as I continue to grow this channel. And also, feel free to check out my Instagram at dw.rugs, where I post all of my work, and message me if you'd like to order a custom. Cheers, everyone.